Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English in Class 11. First, familiarize yourself with the complete syllabus and exam format. Create a realistic study timetable, dedicating at least 1 hour daily to English. This consistent effort builds a strong foundation. Prioritize understanding concepts over rote memorization. Remember, a structured approach is key to achieving excellent results and boosting your confidence in the subject. For literature, read your textbooks carefully, understanding character development and plot. Don't just read, analyze the author's style and message. Practice unseen passages regularly to enhance your reading speed and comprehension. Try to summarize each chapter in your own words. This active engagement helps you retain information better and articulate your thoughts clearly in exams. To improve writing, focus on grammar fundamentals, especially tenses, articles, and prepositions. Maintain a vocabulary notebook, adding 5 new words daily and using them in sentences. Practice different writing formats, such as letters, articles, and reports, adhering to word limits. Regularly review your written assignments for grammatical errors and clarity. Consistent practice is crucial for developing strong writing skills. Don't neglect speaking and listening. Participate in class discussions and try speaking English with friends. Listen to English news or podcasts to improve your pronunciation and understanding of different accents. Regularly solve previous year's question papers to understand the exam pattern and time management. Consistent weekly revision of all topics will solidify your learning and prepare you thoroughly for assessments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.